How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly import your WordPress website, or any website for that matter, into your Bluehost account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. Now back to the video. So to actually do this is quite simple, and you would need to be logged into your Bluehost account as an administrator as well as your WordPress account. So the first thing that we need to get out of the way is you need to log into your WordPress account and make sure that you have the Site Migrator plugin installed. So to do so is quite simple. You just want to navigate through the dashboard, go to the left-hand panel or left-hand side of the screen, and then you should see an option that says plugins. So when you click on plugins, search for Site Migrator, and once you install it, make sure that it's enabled, and now you're ready to actually make the transfer. Now, what you guys would need to do is head over to your Bluehost control panel and log in as an administrator. Now, once you guys are here, you want to click on websites. Then this should take you to all of your domains or websites, and you want to click on add site. Now, depending on what plan you guys have, I currently only have the standard one, so I can only have one site active. But normally, when you click on this button right here, add site, there should be an option that says import or export website. Now, obviously, you want to go for import website, and that's where you'll actually enter the URL for your WordPress site. And when you do, both websites are going to run a quick compatibility check to make sure that all of the data is imported. And the cool thing about this is that both servers get zero downtime as they're making the transfer. So yeah, it's honestly that simple. Just click on add site, import website, and then add your WordPress URL or domain into the box, and then make sure that both of them are logged in and have the plugin enabled. And yeah, that's basically it. So right before we end the video, once again, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can get 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So with that said, hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.